I will introduce Friendstagram application, which kind of social network application for sharing photos and interaction with friends. First, I will log in as a existing user with C data, with coming with C data. I will log in as a Gandalf, and here in my main page, I see my friends' sharings, and I can see comments and see other comments. For example, in this sharings, there's no comments, and here's some comments, and I send comment to sharings and see friends sharings, and go to their profile and see their sharings here in their profile too, and see friends. For example, Frodo have three friends, and I keep and remove from friendship Frodo, and I can't see Frodo's sharings in my page anymore. And I will add Frodo again, and I will log out from Gandalf and log out as a Frodo. I will accept Gandalf's friendship request and return back to Gandalf. Again, see Frodo's sharings, and I enter the sharings and see comments, and I can look my own profile and my sharings and my preference, and I can change my profile from edit profile. Okay. And I change my profile image. I will turn it back to Gandalf. I change my I can change my profile like this, and I can share something. For example, I will share, and I see in my profile this sharings. You can see in my main page because it's my own sharings. If I log in as a friend, for example, I will log in as Aragon. Aragon will see my new post in his main page and can see comment. Uh, and I give answer comments like this. And I can send message to friends. For example, I sent message to Frodo, and I can see again Aragon. And now I will log in as a Frodo and see the message. And I see the message from Gandalf. And I will log in as a Gandalf again. And see Frodo's answer. It's like this messaging system and image sharings, and we can add new friends. There is a suggestion for follow. For example, we haven't friendship with Sauron and Witch King. I will add Sauron as a friend. I'm seeing Sauron's profile and his friends. Sauron have two friends, Witch King and Frodo, and I can see his sharings, and I will add Sauron as a friend. I sent request, and I can revoke my request. I will log in as a Sauron. For example, I can reject the request, and I need to send it again to Sauron. and I accept this branch request this time. Now Gandalf added a friend as a Sauron. Uh, can add friends like this and see the profiles. And I will create a new user from main page. I log out from Gandalf and I register. I register a new account. I see no sharings in my main page because I have no friends for now. I will add some friends, for example, Gandalf and Frodo. I will accept request. They accept request and I have two friends now, so I can see the sharings and give comment them. Uh, I can change my profile. For example, I will edit new display name and I add a profile image. Now I have a profile image and display name, and I can share something. And I share something, and I see the sharings in my profile, and my friends can see the sharing in their main page like this. Uh, it's like this. There's I will talk about installation, the application. Now we downloaded the application and extra here, and there's two folder, one for backend, the API, one for front end, the client. I will open the API with Visual Studio, and I will open the client side with Visual Studio Code. Uh, Now in the backend, I need configure my connection string. I need write here my connection string, for example, uh, my computer. I will use another server for now. I will use the YouTube server, and I will write here this. After I write the right connection string, I will go to package manager console and there is a migration. I will apply this migration to my database. When I open my database, I will delete this. I make it before. Now I will refresh, and there is no social net. There is no social the applications database here, the Friendstagram's database. It's we will create from create now, and I will write update database from my package manager console, and I will apply my migration to database, and it's done. I will refresh, and here is the database created from migration, and there is a seeded data, some seeded data coming with the migration. Uh, Now backend side is okay. I go to client side now. It is a Angular application, and we need our node modules first. So I write npm install. Uh, I will cut the video for now until it's installed. npm install completed, and here's my node modules. And I will write ngserve to build my client site, and I will run the backend side too. Backend side ready, and client side will be ready too. Okay. Now client side running in the localhost, and backend side uh, running too. And I can open my application from localhost. Uh, Now I can use the application. There is some seeded data, and I can remove this seeded data from in the data folder for Instagram context. Here's some seed.